So let's look closer at some of EBSCO's tools to help cite and save the sources you want to use. You can get to these tools by clicking on the title of the article to go to the detailed record. From the detailed record, you have access to the full text of the article, as well as the abstract and publication information. This is the information you will need to have when you write your paper, especially when you're citing your sources. The toolbar on the right-hand side has lots of tools that will help you cite and save your sources. The email tool here is my favorite because it has a lot of the features of the others combined. All you have to do is click on the icon, enter your email here, make sure it's spelled right, and click send. Checking one of these boxes means that the database will email a copy of the article in the email, whether as a PDF attachment or as text in the email body. I find it easier to email the PDF. The database will also send a citation with the abstract if you leave it on this option. I prefer a full citation in the style I'm using. To get that, all you have to do is select the appropriate style from the drop-down list. And then you'll get the full citation in the body of the email, so you can copy and paste it into your Works Cited page. So if I click Send now, I'll get the PDF attachment, the MLA citation, and I will also have a permalink to get back to the detailed record page if I need to for any reason.